Journal entry, March 10th, 2019. I woke up to a cool morning and shivered as I arrived to the partially frozen lake. The sun was bright, but I still felt a chill in the air. And when I got out to the water, I was alone. Taking a single breath of clean air, I felt calm. Until my oar cracks the ice sharply, breaking the silence. Droplets of water fall, disturbing the stillness and creating ripples as far as the eye can see. I try to stay fixed, unmoving, but I can't stop the infinite ebb and flow of the immense lake that persistently pushes me forward. Slowly, the overhanging trees swallow me with their shade, and finally, I know that I've found what I'm looking for: serenity.
Welcome back to my channel, guys. My name is Peterson, and as you can see, today we are enjoying serenity. Me and Zoe are out in Buntzen Lake today. We are canoeing. I saw 10 different people walk through that, so I don't know how cinematic that turned out, but, well, it is what it is. Even though it's nice and bright and sunny and it seems warm out today, this right here is ice. Yeah, that's right. we're canoeing in the ice today on a frozen lake. Some might say that me and Zoe are really unique, you know, being the only ones here, or maybe we're just that dumb that it's just too cold out. Either way, we're enjoying ourselves. We haven't tipped the canoe yet, which is great, right, Zoe? Like the Titanic breaking through the ice?
We'll hit an iceberg and all that.
No, I don't want to hit an iceberg. That is ice. There's your proven ice. But look how beautiful the backdrop is. Look at the snow on the mountains there. Oh, oh. Honestly, you couldn't ask for a better weekend right now. And the water, look at the water is somewhat calm. You can see the reflection. Just a nice relaxing day on the water. What if I rocked the boat? No. Whoa! I took a little bit of a risk. I'm not gonna psych it out too much because we're still on the canoe. I did bring this on the boat. This is usually not something you risk, but today I was feeling good. I had confidence in our team ability that we weren't gonna fall in, so here we go. Go! Making new waves, making new paths in life. Look at that. I don't know if you guys can see that. That's insane. It's like, so what it's doing when we rock the boat, it's making a wave and it's rippling on the ice. And it's making that hissing sound. Listen, look at the waves. So we only have a 2-hour rental here today on Buntzen Lake, so we have to go take this back here pretty soon. But it was nice to spend the morning here. It was very relaxing. This is cool. Damn it. We're gonna go return our little canoe here, head back to the city. That's gonna be it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Nice relaxing little morning for me and Zoe. Totally forget when this video is coming out or when it's supposed to come out. So I'll see you guys next time. Like, subscribe, do what you gotta do, and me and Zoe will see you soon. Bye.